Good evening. Today is December 18, 2023 Monday, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sewer 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, December 18, 2023. Here are the SL Sewer 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City. Under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for December 18, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of December 18, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.